Hey everyone, what's up? I am back with another PR haul for you guys. I had a lot of positive feedback on my last one that I did. You guys said that you really liked videos like this, so I'm going to be showing you guys all of the free stuff that I have been sent in the past few weeks. I personally love watching videos like this. I feel like they're so interesting. I just like to see like what people get sent. I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but I think it's really fun to watch. So I don't have anything else to really say. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I am also doing a giveaway right now, so if you guys want to enter that, I will have a link in my description box below. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start out with all of the products that I got sent from Sigma recently. You guys know that I am a Sigma Beauty affiliate and they always send me super nice packages in the mail. I'm like super grateful for everything that they send me. If you guys want to use my code, I do make commission off my code. It is Melinda and you can save 10% off of anything on Sigma's website. So the first thing that they sent me is their Sigmagic Scrub. This is like the little makeup cleaner that you put on your sink and you wash your brushes with it. You guys saw me get one of these in my past PR haul videos. They sent me another one. I'm actually going to be doing like an Instagram story takeover on Sigma's Instagram page, so make sure you guys follow them and then you guys can see when I'm on their story. I'm really excited about it. I'm also nervous, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my brushes on their story, so stay tuned for that. They also sent me their Sigmagic Brush Shampoo. I have been wanting to try this for a really long time, so I'm really excited that they sent me this. I've heard really good things about it. Basically, it's just like a brush cleaner. So the Sigmagic Scrub little thing I just showed you guys already has the cleaner like inside of it. This is like a separate cleaner that you would put on your brushes, and along with other brush cleaning gadgets. I feel like Sigma has the best brush cleaning like supplies, products, whatever you want to call it. They sent me their Sigma Dry and Shape Tower. I am so excited for this, you guys. I have seen so many people use this and I've heard really good things about it. So basically you just like stick your brushes in this and it's basically going to hold your brushes in shape while they dry, which I love that. I think it's so cool. I always just like lay my brushes out on my bathroom counter after I wash them, and my cat is literally like a psychopath and she will go and like, I don't know, she like doesn't try to eat my brushes, but she'll like rub her face against them. I don't know, she's weird. So this will stop her from getting into my brushes. So excited about that. And then they sent me two brush sets. The first one, I actually showed you guys this a while back on my Instagram stories, and they sent me another one, so I'm probably gonna put this one in a giveaway for you guys. This is their Sigma Dimensional Brush Set. It has a bunch of their like super cool like kabuki brushes. So there is the F83 curved kabuki, the F87 edge kabuki, the 3D HD Max kabuki, which I really like a lot. And then we have the 4D HD Kabuki, which I haven't actually used yet. It says it's good for concealer, so I need to try that one out. And then they also sent me this brush set. This is their Performance Eyes Kit. So this has a bunch of different eye brushes, so I'm really excited. You can never have too many eye brushes, and I feel like these Sigma brushes are really good quality. I have had some of my Sigma brushes for years, and they are seriously still as good as when I first bought them. The handle and everything still looks just as good. Like, the paint hasn't faded. I haven't really lost any bristles. Like, they don't shed at all. They're really, really high quality brushes. They are a little bit more expensive than like my Morphe brushes, but honestly I feel like the quality is definitely better. So in this brush set you get their eyeliner brush, which is the E11 brush, and then we have the E16 Tightline liner. The next one is the E17 Waterline liner. So we have a lot of eyeliner brushes in this set. The next one is the E21 Smudge brush, which I actually own in like a little travel size, and I really like that brush a lot. The next one is the E36 blending brush, which I also already have and I really like it a lot. It's really nice. I actually used it today to create the look that I'm wearing. I'm gonna have this on my Instagram feed if you guys want to check it out. I do like different tutorials and videos on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on there, make sure you follow me to keep up with what I'm posting on there. And then the next one is their Shader Inner Corner, which is the E46. Then we have the E47 Shader Crease Brush, and then their E56 Shader Lid Brush. So yeah, I'm so excited about everything that I got in this package. So thank you so much to Sigma for sending me all of these awesome products. Now we're gonna move on to the next company, and I got a PR package from Marc Anthony. I've been on their PR list for a little while now. They sent me a pretty big package this month with a bunch of awesome hair care products, and I've actually been using them for the past like week now, so I do have, you know, some thoughts and opinions on the products that I'm going to tell you guys about. Here is the package. It's a pretty big package from them. So I'm going to start out with the two products that I haven't actually tried yet. They are their Bye Bye Frizz silicone free keratin smoothing shampoo, and then they also sent me the conditioner. So I haven't actually tried these out yet. I'm gonna start using them probably this week. There's no real reason why I haven't tried them yet. They've just been in the box, but I have tried the rest of the products. I am like really excited about this line of hair care. All of these seriously smell like so good. I don't even know how to describe the smell, but it smells really good. They all have the same smell, which I really like a lot. So the next product that they sent me is a hairspray, and this is from the same line. All of these products are from the Bye Bye Frizz line. This is their Humidity Shield hairspray. It says it blocks humidity to fight frizz, extra hold. I have been using this, and I will say it's not as like tight of a hold as I normally would use because I do have really curly hair, but I do kind of like it because it does not make your hair crunchy at all. Next up, we have the Keratin Smoothing Blow Dry Cream. I've actually used this twice now. After using this and blow drying my hair, it was so soft. I actually did use it the other day when I blow dried my hair, and my hair still feels very soft. So far, I'm loving all of the products that I've tried from this line. They make my hair feel just really good, and I do believe that these are really affordable. I think I saw these on the Ulta website the other day, like on sale. Let me go look. So these are on the more affordable side, I would say. Like the hairspray is $8.99. And then all of them are around $8.99. And I want to say they did have these on sale, at least some of them the other day. I don't know that they still are, but next up we have a leave-in conditioner, which I have been using every single day when I get out of the shower, and I really like it a lot. This also smells just as good as the rest of the products, so I'm excited to continue using this. It says it strengthens and protects during styling, which I need. It also blocks humidity, which where I live it is super, super hot and humid, so I definitely need humidity protection. And then the last product that they sent me is their 8-in-1 serum. So this says it reduces frizz, strengthens hair, moisturizes, repairs, humidity shield, protects, nourishes. So these are all free from sulfates, parabens. I really like that all of these are silicone and paraben free. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on all of these products. So far, I'm loving all the ones that I've tried. I really need to get into the shampoo and conditioner and give you guys my thoughts on those as well. So thank you so much to Mark Anthony for sending me all of these awesome hair care products. I'm really enjoying them so far. So next up, I have another PR package that is full of hair care products. I actually showed you guys these on my Instagram stories a couple weeks ago, I think, but I wanted to mention them on here for those of you guys who don't follow me on Instagram. So I am on the Kerastase PR list. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. And they sent me some of their hair care stuff, so I'm really excited about these. These are like a little bit more on the pricey side for hair care products, and I've only tried one of them so far. I need to get better about trying like new hair care products. It's just kind of hard, but I'm kind of like in a rush for work, and I don't really have time to like try out the new products, but I'm going to definitely try these out and let you guys know my thoughts. The first one is like a hair elixir spray. This is a beautifying oil. This is like a leave-in treatment, so I've been using this every day when I get out of the shower. I really do like this product a lot. I feel like it does help to like smooth and strengthen my hair. I don't really like the scent very much, but I do like the product. So all of the rest of these I haven't tried yet, but I'm going to be trying them out soon. So the first one is a rinse out pre-shampoo. So you do use this before you would actually shampoo your hair. So this does have like little exfoliating beads inside of here. So it says that it has a soft texture for a revitalizing massage. It says massage on for 5 minutes and then spread to the ends of the hair. Rinse and then shampoo. So I've never actually used a like pre-shampoo, so I'm excited to try this out. Next up, we have their revitalizing shampoo. So this does look like it's a like clear and liquidy shampoo, so I'm assuming that this is like a clarifying shampoo. So I'm hoping that's what it is because I really need a new clarifying shampoo. I really like to use those to get rid of like any buildup on my hair. And then the last product that they sent me is their rinse out treatment, and I'm assuming this is like a deep conditioner. I need to do a little bit more research on their product, but I've heard really, really good things about them, so I'm really excited to try this out, and hopefully this will help the ends of my hair. They're a little bit dry. I just cut a little bit off, so hopefully they don't look so like gross. And then the last PR package that I have to show you guys is from the brand So Fresh, So Clean. They are a skincare brand. I did a video on my Instagram using their like black charcoal peel off mask, and they saw my video and they sent me their glitter peel off mask. So this one also has charcoal in it, and it has a bunch of like super cute like glitter pieces in here. So I'm going to be doing another Instagram video using this mask, and I will let you guys know my thoughts after I posted that. So those are all of the PR packages that I've gotten in the past few weeks. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have all of the products that I mentioned in this video linked in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out. And I'm also doing a giveaway right now, so if you guys want to enter that, make sure to click the link in my description box below for that as well. And before you leave, don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.